Fresh is best. Add the masa flour to a small bowl. Add a pinch of salt and then add half the water. Mix with your hands, then add the remaining water and mix for about 2 minutes until the water is well incorporated. If the dough feels too dry, add more water. If it's too wet, add more corn flour until you have a consistency like this. Make a ball with your hands and press. If there are no major cracks, the dough is fine. If there are cracks, add a little more water. Let rest for at least 10 minutes. I had never eaten corn tortillas at home until Guillermo came into my life. And now they're such a big part of our diet.
Our love them. They are so healthy and our girls love them.
They love to eat them as tacos with avocado inside.
They also help us to press the tortillas.
While it rests, you can start heating a non-stick frying pan or comal on medium. We use a comal to make our tortillas, but a frying pan also works just fine. Take a plastic bag and slit the 2 sides that touch the zip, like this, so that you can open it like a book. Take a 4 centimeter diameter ball of dough and fold it into the bag. Flatten with your hand, then roll it out with a rolling pin, making it as round as possible and 1 to 2 millimeters thick. The tortilla should be 12 to 14 centimeters across. Open the bag and gently lift the tortilla. Alternatively, if you have a tortilla press, place the bag onto the press and put the dough on top, then cover with the top of the bag and press. With many tortilla presses, one side will end up thicker, so flip it over and press it again to even it out. Gently remove the tortilla from the plastic and place it in the center of the frying pan or comal. Cook for 30 seconds, then flip. Cook the other side for 1 minute. Flip it again and lightly press the center down. Leave it until it puffs up and starts to come back down, then flip again and cook for another 20 seconds, then remove from the heat. You can eat the tortilla right away or store it in a clean tea towel to keep it warm. You can also store the tortillas in the fridge. To reheat, place on the frying pan or comal, pre-warmed on medium heat. Warm each side, flipping every 30 seconds for 2 minutes. An avocado taco is an easy snack that we make all the time. Slice the avocado lengthwise and remove the pit with a knife or small spoon. Scoop out the avocado and lay over one side of the tortilla. Add salt and lime and enjoy. Or add salt and lime and salsa and enjoy a spicy snack. Always put the taco filling on the side that is soft and thin so the tortilla doesn't break. We like to use Bob's Red Mill Masa Harina because it's soaked in an alkaline solution before it's ground in a process called, what's it called, Guillermo?
Nixtamalization. It's a Nahuatl word.
We also like this flour because it's free of processed ingredients and it's delicious.
The tortillas taste like in Mexico.
Thank you for watching our channel. If you liked this video, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you.
Like that?
Yeah, go like that.